Okay guys, so today we are going to be making this. Is very big. It's bigger than my hand. It's a diamond multi-pockets, what can we call it? It's like a multi-pockets floating pocket. I don't know how we want to call it. So easy peasy, super easy to make. It's got 5 pockets. It's got one pocket there, one pocket on the front, on the top, so that's 2. Then it's got one pocket on the side there, so that's 3. Turn it, 4, and then 5 there. So you can use as a floaty and then you just stuff it with goodies, or you can glue it down to your journal. You might want to make it smaller and have it as a large, as a large envelope. So I have used some of my butterfly to decorate it, because I've done a recent project, I think it was last week or the week before, zone out, can't remember. We made some envelopes. You guys leave a lot of comments on that video saying that you guys want some more options on how to make more goodies, envelopes to put goodies in it. You ask and I make. So I will put the video link down below. In fact, I'll probably put it at the end of the video as well, so you watch this and then go back and watch the other one, so you can see the different. That video there is a proper traditional like envelope, but there was no tools, so there was no envelope, no measurements, no ruler, nothing. You just simply fold it, put some butterflies, and there you go. I have used this trim, which I think it cost me about my house. I bought this trim from Amazon or eBay either. It was so expensive. I treated myself. Oh goodness me, it's not a lot. I think, I don't know how many meters and jazz like that, but it was so expensive. They're doing different colors, but I only got it in there's like 3 different shades of pinks. I was like, oh god, wow. So yeah, do you know what, why not? So I got it, and of course I need to use it, because it's not point to spend so much money for things that sat on the desk. So yeah, the person that will receive these full of goodies has to be a very special person. No, right, let me show you how to make it. So the starting point is a square. So this is Dainty Delight. I'm rubbish with names. It's from Stampin' Up. It's a 12 by 12. I was obsessed with this paper. Of course, I design my own papers, but of course I buy papers as well. I'm not buy papers because I design my own. So if I see something I really like, I buy it. So this was Stampin' Up, and this is Stampin' Up as well. Part of the butterfly, I think it was the butterfly gala or something like that. I'm sure it was. So the starting point is a square. Now this square is very big. You don't even fit. It's a 12 by 12. So what you need to do, you just simply need to fold it in half. Now I'm using my trimmer because it's going to be easier. Now my butterflies are this way, so I'm going to score it this way. Oh no, I think I cut it. Oh no, I did cut it. Well, I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh, silly me. Yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. So fold it in half. Just make sure that if your design is like vertical, you just need to make sure you fold it so your design stay vertical, because if we'd have folded the other way, the butterfly would have gone that way. Okay, so fold it in half so it stays up. Okay, and then you form a paper boat. So you need to get this corner to the center. You can score it, I guess, but there is no need, because this is not a very heavy cardstock at all. And then use your bond folder that needs desperately cleaning. I'm ashamed of my cleanness. No, I need to clean it. So fold it up and do the same on the other side. So get your tip first, make sure that's done, and then with the bond folder just press it down. Okay, and then you got the flap there and the rectangle on the bottom, and then you just fold it this way. Okay, so what you do, you get the two corners lined up, that lined up, everything is gonna line up. Okay, there, and then you just press it down. So this is the base of your envelope. Now this is the reverse of the paper. So when I'm gonna fold that down, you can see the yellow. Now I want the yellow to be the outside, so fold it up, start again, but fold it on this way. Okay, so the actual side that you're gonna see is going to be inside. I hope I'm making sense. So I refold that, Can you see? Now the butterflies will be outside and not inside, because I want them to be on my pocket. Okay, so it's how you fold it, you get the outside paper. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to put this tip inwards there. So we're just going to fold it this way. So we create the diamond shape, and then we go on the other side, we do exactly the same. So get a tip and fold it down, and then just finish it. I suggest you glue it, so it's not going to be, it's going to be out of your way, but you don't have to glue it, but I do, so it's not going to annoy me when I put thing inside. And we do the same on the other side. So to construct this pocket is actually very simple. Okay, now you end up with something that looks like this. Okay, so now we need to glue this side first. So on this side here, we're just going to put some double side tape. You can use glue, but with glue, at least you know that this is the side again, so you got all this space, because if you put glue, the glue might end up there, so you're going to lose a bit of chunk of space. While I know now that there's going to be a lot of space to put the goodies in. Okay, so your diamond shape is nearly done. So we have the big pocket on the front, on the top. Okay, so that's what we just done, and now we just need to construct the other pocket. So you decide what you want in your pocket. So if you want your pocket that on your right hand side, you put the glue there. If you want your pocket on your left hand side, you put the glue there. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't matter. So I will do, in fact, let's do one other side, like a side different on each side. So I'm just gonna put the double side there, so we have our pocket on the left hand side. Turn it over. You see, this is where I cut it, but never mind. See if I can pull a little bit of glue. When I say a little bit, I didn't mean it, a litre, but never mind. Just gonna press a little bit, 1 second. And then where is the, oh yeah, so the other side, we're going to do the pocket here. So we're going to do the double sellotape is going on my left hand side. As I said, it won't make any difference what side you want your pocket, but it's your preference. I give you an option, you decide. And there you have it. So done, finito. We've got one pocket on the top, one pocket there, one pocket there. That's 3, 4 on the side, and 5 on the other side. There you have it. So that's your pocket. Now to decorate it, you can do anything that you like. I have used my butterfly digitals. I will put the link down below in case you guys want to get it. Now there is a lot of yellow and green, so I'm probably going to use some of these green butterflies. I might use, let's have a look. So I think I'm going to go for 1, 2 and 3. Shall we? Is any more? No, because they're quite small. Yeah, because they are all these butterflies of my papers are all different sizes, so you can play on here. Those 3 are pretty much the same size, but yeah, I'm not gonna put the trim there because otherwise I'll run out. But you can put lace. You can put, in fact, bear with me 1 second. Where did I see that? Yeah, you can either put paper doilies. So let me get a big one so I can show you. With the paper doilies, you don't know. Sometimes, I don't know if you like me, guys. Sometimes you think you got one and you got like 95 because they all stick together. So I think this is just one. I think it's just one. Well, if it's 95, it's going to be very thick, but never mind. So this is how I keep all my doilies very well organized. You can either layer it and put these on top. Shall we do that? You see, when I do things, my head is spinning with ideas. So I don't want the deeper. I don't want this green. I think it's too bright. I'm gonna go for the pastel. Is it 1? No, I think this is definitely more than 1. I don't think it's 95, but it's definitely more than 1. I think that's 1. So what you can do, so put it on top. You could, to be fair, it's better if you do this before you glue it. So I'm just gonna cut it. Put this back in the bag in a second, and I'm just gonna fold it. Yeah, so just gonna put some glue in there. It's, as I said, it's probably better if you glue this before, but it don't really matter. It's just it's a bit awkward. We're just going to put a little bit glue in there and maybe there, so it stay nice and flat. Yeah. And then I was thinking you put that on top. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's do it. So again, I kind of mark it where the fold is going to be, and then I cut it. I'm gonna cut it so I can put the glue. Keep it this because we're definitely gonna use it another time. So I'm just gonna put some glue. I don't like this little bit, so that's gonna go. So position it where you want it, and then fold it again. Yeah, do this when before you glue it down. It will be less awkward. But I think I've done it. Yeah, just gonna put a little bit more glue there and there. Oh my god, 15 minutes. Hurry up, Antonio, hurry up. It's just because when I do things with you guys and I film it, I come up with ideas that I didn't even think before. So I'm gonna cut the butterflies, glue them up, and I'll be right back. One little tip I want to share. So when I did a butterfly on here, I don't know if you can see. You can probably see them if I do it flat. My butterfly arm flat. It looks like they're flying. So what you do, get your bond folder and just do that with your thumb, so they looks like they're resting, they're flying but resting, and then you just put the glue just on the body. Now if you put this pocket into a journal or a book or somewhere, you know that the page is going to go on top of it, it will make them flat. But because when you glue them like that, you know that even if it's going to be flat, you just with your thumbs, you're just going to lift the wings up so they look like they're flying. So I'm going to do the same on this one. So ooh, be gentle, don't do what I did. Okay, so this pocket is going to have 2 butterflies. So yeah, just be gentle, don't break it. I'm gonna fix it, but yeah, it's not gonna go in the bin. And then you just press it with your bond folder on the flat side there, so the body will stay attached, and then lift the wings so it looks like they're flying. Quite like it with 2 actually. Should we leave it with 2, or should we have a 3rd? I think I'm gonna leave it with 2, you know. So yeah, she's going on the bin. Won't mind. What you can do as well, now lots of ideas are drilling in my head. You can either do some flowers, some die-cut flowers, and overly decorate these I think, should we call envelopes? They're not envelopes, they're like stuffed pockets. So you can really go mad with the decoration and have, I can see already in my head some really nice flowers and lids, and make it really 3D. You can either, I can see like with one of my favorite die, put it as an embellishment. Oh, right, I'm gonna do lots of videos with this. But yeah, no, honestly, I hope you liked them. These, it cost me half of my body. No, I'm joking. I hope you like them, guys, and I hope you make them. And very easy. These are big, so remember your starting point is a square. No matter how big, you just need to fold it in half, do the paper boat folding it inwards, and glue it. That is all about. Hope you guys like it. If you make it, don't forget to share it on my Facebook group. If you want to get my butterfly digitals, everything is linked down below, and I'll see you on Wednesday for another fun. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Just a reminder, guys, that on April, throughout the full month, from the 1st of April to the 31st or 30th, I think it's 30th, I have a sale on my website, because April is the month of my birthday. It's the month of my channel's birthday, and also it's the month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big birthdays throughout the full month. So it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So yeah, just go to my website and have a look and treat yourself. I will put another video here on the screen, guys. So if you wish to carry on watching for more ideas and inspiration, please feel free to do so. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!